Hi guys, it's Amelia Frank again and welcome back to my channel. And today I will make a bracelet, a rosary bracelet made of pearl, and it's in elastic cord. So I will show you what I got here. And I have a cultured water pearl, and I already rim it to make the hole bigger so it will fit in my elastic cord. So, and this is 12 inches elastic cord, and I will put here in the end. That way it will stop the pearl or the beads from going out. So I will start here, and I have one, like I use this for the cross, for the Apostles' Creed, and then the Our Father, and there's another one here, 3 Hail Mary pearl, and for the first mystery, and you can say the Our Father, and then 10 Hail Marys again, 10 pearl, and I have one here again, the Glory Be, you can say the Glory Be, and then the Fatima prayers, and the Hail Holy Queen. Okay, I will start with this. For the Apostles' Creed, it's the cross, and then the Our Father, one Our Father, and I will put this to separate the Our Father, and then the 3 Hail Marys, 1, 2, and then 3, and then the first mystery. Today is Thursday, so it's a luminous mystery or misteryo ng liwanag sa atin sa Tagalog. And 10 Hail Marys again, 10 beads, 10 pearl, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's hard to, sometimes I cannot see the whole. So this is the 6th, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the 10 Hail Mary, and then you will say the Glory Be, and the Fatima prayers, and then the Hail Holy Queen. And then let's close it. I'll take this off now. Tighten it. 2, and another one. And then let's cut it. And I will heat it Just a little. There you go. I was gonna put it inside at the hole, but it's too small. It's better if there is a bigger hole. There. And that's my bracelet. My rosary bracelet. And thank you for watching. See you on my next video.